This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot honey sauce. Start by measuring equal parts honey and water and warming gently. Add chili flakes, a splash of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Simmer on low for 5 to 8 minutes while stirring so the honey thins and the heat blooms. Taste and adjust chili or lemon, then cool and store in a jar for quick drizzling. Warm, friendly prep makes this simple and fun. Gather honey, water, chili flakes, lemon juice, and salt, plus a small saucepan and a bottle. Measure and prep chilies if using fresh ones, and keep a spoon for tasting. Heat gently to combine and thin the honey, stirring often so it does not burn. Strain if you prefer a smooth sauce, then let cool before bottling and labeling. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation. The leak-proof containers I mention are great for storing hot honey and transporting sauces without spills, and they're perfect for meal prep too. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and simplify kitchen cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. A few simple tips will improve results and save time. Maintain low heat to avoid burning the honey and stirring constantly during simmering. Adjust sweetness with additional honey or a splash of maple syrup if you want depth. For brighter flavor, add lemon juice toward the end and whisk to combine. Cool fully before refrigerating, and always use a clean spoon to prevent contamination and extend shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.